You agree with what you saw today?
Yes.
The daughter's hiccup is gone.
Yeah.
For at least 2 hours now. Yes or not, sir?
Yes, yes.
Very good, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Madam, you are the famous hiccup lady.
Sir, you remember pretty well.
Yes, sir.
Every day I made it.
It's been going on for so many years, madam.
Yes,
Yeah.
12 years, sir.
Yes, one time I heard you perfectly okay. Once I remember you were hiccuping while I was videoing you, and you hold the camera, sir. Hold the camera. Yes, hold on. You were okay. I remember you were coming down. But the next day you came back again. I remember.
Yes, yes. Yes, you're right.
But now you're not hiccuping. Now you're not hiccuping.
Yeah, yeah.
How does it happen, madam?
I don't know, sir. I was normal actually, leading normal life, BP low, everything. While I was working, I was very busy.
What were you working as?
I was assistant professor
The school, university.
in university.
Did people like you there?
Yes,
Or people didn't like you there?
obviously.
No.
She's MBA, business management she did, master in it.
And these hiccups.
You can't teach, madam. You can't teach like this, right? Something must have been there. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 years, madam.
Yes, correct.
14 years.
100%
14.
correct.
It's all to your work, all coming from the work.
Yes. Worker.
From the work that you're doing, madam. From the work, the place of work. What were you working as?
Teacher only, teaching side.
But some people may not like you there also, madam. You never know.
Who says?
So now you're not working. When you stop working?
Long time I stopped. Actually, after BP used to fluctuate a lot.
Okay.
Every alternative. Morning, nights, every evening, sunset starts. Then here the BP shoots up. Sunset.
Then sunrise?
It will come down automatically.
Automatically.
4 o'clock.
Morning 4 o'clock is all
Normal. So, it should shoot up, and after few years, like 6 years something, 5 years like that, kidneys got affected because of severe fluctuations in BP. So
what about the kidney now?
kidneys, because of Vidya Grace, it has come to 3.6 previous month. This month again I checked, it is 4.8. Okay.
How do you heal that?
Healing that.
How do you heal yourself?
I heal kidneys, liver, and BP,
Okay, but I'm
heart.
Okay. For the past 14 years, you have blackmailed you working with one lady.
One lady, yeah. Who is she my relative or
Work, your work,
worker?
your working place.
My sisters, they did something to her actually.
No. This is your working place. Working place.
Okay.
Think of somebody working place. I think of somebody working place.
Yes.
Lady.
Okay.
Think.
I don't have any mean working place.
No, your assistant lecturers who are also lecturing the same thing with you.
But in college, one girl was against me always.
14 years, madam, not before that.
14 years.
It's to work, to do with the work. Just think of somebody now. You have to find the person you are doing forgiveness now.
I don't know, I can't really.
Think of somebody, madam. Any student we fail.
Do you remember the face at least?
No.
Think, sir. Think, madam. Think. Registrar, another lecturer.
Or some college.
Not college, madam. You were working, your working place. Any other lecturer, lady lecturer. Do something like that. Do something like that.
Exactly, I'm not able to.
Madam, think of some lady. Were there any ladies there?
Ladies, many ladies.
Then think of one lady of the many ladies. Who's the closest to you?
Okay, one lady.
That's all. Read now, put thumbs up to this lady. Why you think too much?
Okay.
Read now.
Radhikane.
7, madam. Read now. Come, you can read. Read now, page 7 to this lady. I'm going to remove whatever connection coming from that lady to you right now, sir, madam. Think of the lady now and say, please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
If I have knowingly or unknowingly hurt you in any way from the work that we were doing together. Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
We want there be peace. I want there to be peace and harmony between us always. We have all come for a purpose, and for the reason unknown to me, you have done something to hurt me. And because of that, I am not able to go to work, and the hiccup is not stopping. I cannot teach. I'm a professor. I cannot teach because of this hiccup. Okay? Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. That's God's blessing be with you always. Okay? You know? Okay, done. Hold the camera.
Sir,
Wait,
it's
wait, wait,
complete
wait,
now.
wait. Wait, you gotta go one by one, madam. You gotta go one by one now. What I'm going to say now, your name again, madam?
Madhavi.
Madhavi, yeah? Healing wand becomes power as well. To heal and condition Madhavi, solar plexus and diaphragm. Solar plexus and diaphragm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? I'm healing your diaphragm and solar plexus. Now I'm going to go to your stomach. Stomach acidity can also cause, stomach acidity can cause this also. You know? Stomach. This is getting worse and worse now. Wow. Where it starts from? Where it starts from?
No, actually, in the vaginal part, something will be moving. As you give healing, no, complete blurriness. And I can't say anything, and it will be moving, something.
So now the vagina part is moving now?
No.
Now, when did it happen?
Every day it happens.
At night when you sleep, man, do you still hear this sound?
Huh?
When you're sleeping at night, does this happen?
Yeah.
Even at night also? you sleep?
Night I sleep. No, I can't really realize, but during daytimes it happens always. I couldn't eat only for so many days after call. Once you called me recently, I told you, when you started healing, then I started eating little. Now, okay, creatine also come down from 2-3
After the healing,
days.
huh? Where is this thing coming from? Is it like the esophagus or is it the trachea? Is it the
This
bronchus?
part,
Bottom part.
bottom part.
Okay, spleen chakra. The spleen chakra.
The sea he stopped.
The spleen chakra.
Yes.
That's the entry one of prana.
Yeah.
The prana is entering without being stopped. It's going all over the body. So now healing, spleen chakra and normalize the spleen chakra. Okay? And if you go back home, you're going to say healing one, become this power first right to heal condition and spleen chakra.
Spleen chakra, okay.
Because one that is it's like an open pot
Okay.
where the prana just flows inside and it's coming out through like burping.
Okay.
And it's coming out something, it doesn't come out, the whole body will be full of energy.
And sir, moreover, my eyes have blurriness. During healing, especially when you're healing, a lot of blood. Now also, blurriness is there. Cataract,
But cataract, all you have to see the doctors and things.
I
You
have
can heal,
seen, he said
you
that
can heal it sometime.
you should go for operation, he said, cataract.
But,
And moreover,
madam, your hiccups stop, huh?
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You go and heal your spleen chakra. That's what I'm doing now.
Spleen.
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 That's the entry of the prana. When prana comes, it keep on coming, it throws away like this.
Okay.
Hiccup and throw them, hiccup and throw them away. It's a way of throwing. Some people burp. Yours hiccup, for some people burp. Hiccup or sound, burping no sound. Burping no sound, then hiccup or sound is a hiccup. That's burping.
Yeah.
people burp. You're not burping, you're hiccuping.
Hiccuping.
Mm.
And moreover, this numbness here and
That we can heal, that all we can heal. You must heal both your soul chakras. I'm just interested in getting it with your hiccups away from you. Good, madam? You stop hiccuping.
So, dialysis, she's under dialysis now.
Yes, sir. That's how you must hold the kidneys. Because of the pressure. The pressure may have hurt your kidneys, madam.
So once he my kidneys first.
No, all that can be done, madam. But you must go back home. It's not one time healing. It goes to healing more.
Just once
Becomes
you
powerful.
heal,
I'm
then
healing it right now.
right.
Heal and condition. Madhavi's right and left kidneys. So if you take 4, if you have 2 more wands, you put 1 more wand here. And then
Okay,
you
2
get
of
the clear
them,
one.
pink and white I have.
Then you start saying, must your right kidney, left kidney, urinary bladder, then you say urethra.
Okay.
4 at the same time.
Okay.
So very important, madam, you must heal your spleen chakra.
Okay.
So healing one, heal and condition my spleen chakra.
And 2 I'll place like this.
Very good.
And I'll just heal
Right.
myself.
Right.
Every
Yes,
day
sir.
I'll heal.
Good, madam. Now you start with weight yoga. Okay, we found that something was wrong with spleen chakra. Prana was flowing inside the birth. Now you're fine now. Okay? Even when you go back home, heal your spleen chakra. It's a heal and condition my spleen chakra. For the kidney, you go 2 1, you go to say heal and condition your right kidney, left kidney, urinary bladder, and the urethra.
Okay, sure.
Okay? Then you can say heal my uterus, heal my right and left ovary, and heal my vagina opening.
Okay.
Okay, before that, you must do all the chakras. You say right and left chakra, soul chakra, solar plexus, navel chakra, sex chakra, and heart chakra.
Okay. All chakras.
You do. Very fast, madam. Very fast now.
Sure.
You do. Then you can say throat chakra, ajna, crown, and back head chakra.
Sir, will I come out of this dialysis?
Madam, you have to find a way to rejuvenate the kidneys.
Yeah.
Are you getting urine?
Yeah.
Good. So now you want to make the quality of the urine better. That's all.
That's all.
So that you must go and heal your liver and gallbladder.
That's what I'm doing. Liver I'm doing.
Yes.
Gallbladder also?
Do yes, ma'am. They are good is on throwing away everything out of the body.
Okay, sure.
Heal the liver. Don't take too much of acid food.
No.
No amala, no pickles.
No. I stopped long back.
No curry.
No citrus
No
fruits.
this curry. No rice. Too much rice. Just enough. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Start. You must go back and learn how to heal the kidney with diet and lifestyle. Then, of course, you can take the one and heal both kidneys. That is better. Healing and diet is too very important. They work hand in hand. You can't say I'm going to heal the kidney. I'm not taking my diet. No. No more salt. No papadam.
No, I long back I stopped all the
No
salt.
papadam.
No, less salt.
Anything salty? No.
No salt food, don't have.
Slowly. Try to make it no salt. Okay, don't eat all of this processed food and don't buy food from outside. All this. Try to cook yourself. Get as naturally as possible you can.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, madam?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
So finally, madam,
So he's
we are able to stop your hiccuping.
Yes, I stopped. I'm happy.
Seriously, eh?
Seriously.
Very
Okay,
nice.
thank you so much, sir.
Seriously, madam.
Thank you.
See how the dark energy can affect you, madam?
Yeah, I know. It's BM, sir. Is it BM?
Yes.
BM only. Black magic.
Yes. Okay, madam. It has been 2 hours since you came just now, madam. Any hiccups?
Gone.
How many years you been hiccuping, madam?
14 years.
14 years. Today you came here, we healed you, we healed your spleen chakra,
Yeah.
remove all the blocks from there so energy will flow inside and clear it, and your hiccup has stopped.
Yes.
Correct, madam?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Today
so
is the
much.
date. What date today, madam?
Today is 16th.
16th of
16th of March.
2024.
Yes.
In Bangalore for healing consultation.
Yes.
You came here. I've spoken to you on the phone before. I've even heard you hiccuping. Okay. And today I said, come and see me live. You saw me today and you got healed.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, my eyes
Thank you.
also, please.
Madam, I should go and heal, madam. I should go and heal. Heal both the eyes. Okay.
Both eyes, sir?
Both eyes you must
shall
heal,
I
madam.
go for
Using
operation?
vitamin A, madam, cataract is to do operation the best, fastest and easiest.
Easiest, huh?
It's a tissue that's growing around the eyes.
Okay.
You can heal, but take some time to heal. It's not like you go today, tomorrow it's going to be sick. If you do operation, much better. You start healing and let's see what happens. So people have done it and they have healed a cataract. They have healed a cataract. I'm not saying you heal today, tomorrow is going to grow. Okay, sir, it's a tissue. It's growing, madam. Say, take the one, say, healing and blaze away and burn away and disintegrate the cataract in my
Okay.
eyes. Okay, madam?
Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much.